Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to manage Trade Center in franchise. In the beginning, let's go to franchise and enter GM's office. Go to Trade Center, and here you can manage Trade Block, Upgrade Position or Trade Funder. Let's enter Trade Block. Here you can trade, buy and sell players. In Upgrade Position, you can select position to upgrade. For example, let's select quarterback, select team, position and select player. In Trade Finder, select draft to pick, advance and submit. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.